You can get the current T20 World Cup cricket score quickly using the Siri voice command on your iOS devices. This video shows how to ask Siri for cricket score. Hey Siri, get the upcoming T20 schedule.
There are 3 ICC games between yesterday and today.
Hey Siri, what is the score of last T20 game?
Pakistan defeated Namibia by 45 runs in the T20 match today.
Hey Siri, when is the next T20 game for India?
India takes on Afghanistan in the T20 match tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe to Clear Talking to get notified when new video tutorials are uploaded.